about that part, but I got something to show you. Angry Birds surprise packs. It's Angry Birds Star Wars, and it's very interesting. Let's open it. Ooh. What's in it? We've got an app content. Wait, no one. You might know what that looks like because most people know it. Angry Birds. I got a Darth Maul pig, and I got this in the telepod set, but this is not telepods. But here's a picture of it. So we're going to what's that? Ding dong. Oh, here's something. It's something came in the packet. Let's go and see what there is. Oh, it's a cat. He came and gave us a present. Thank you, Catty. Thank you. What is Wolfie gave to us? Let's open it. Yoda bird, telepod. Here's his code. Emperor pig, and here's his code. So you might want to see what this code looks like. Can you see it properly? And now, let's get everything we had today. That was the first thing we had. And then that was the next. And then that was the next. Subscribe! And please like it.